to cleanse and improve your lungs, remove mucus, strengthen weak lungs to help you breathe better and easier. Mucus in the lungs is not a condition only suffered by smokers. However, more heavy smokers than non-smokers suffer more from congested lungs and mucus buildup in the lungs. In this video, you will learn how to cleanse and detox your lungs with simple home remedies to help you breathe easier. Watch the entire video to know what to do. How to cleanse and strengthen your lungs from years of smoking. According to the University of Michigan Health System's Tobacco Consultation Service, the lungs are already healthier at 72 hours after quitting smoking. Also, between 2 weeks and 2 months from the time you quit, your lung function could improve by up to 30%. While this could happen naturally, there is a way to cleanse and detox your lungs from years of smoking and speed up the process of lung recovery. Here are steps you should take that require no medication. Clean your surroundings. Cleansing your lungs requires making sure the air you breathe is clean. While getting an air purifier for your home will help, it's not necessary. A large part of improving your home's air quality is making sure that everything in it is clean. The dust that settles on your furniture, curtains, and walls could easily get in the air and into your lungs. To keep this from happening, clean up. Do breathing exercises. According to the Lung Institute, breathing exercises are incredibly effective to improving lung capacity, especially among those who previously smoked cigarettes. Following are effective breathing exercises you can try. Belly breathing. There is an exercise that's highly recommended by the COPD Foundation. While it's one of the most effective exercises for improving lung function, it may be difficult to do for those whose lung capacity have been greatly diminished from years of smoking. Take it slow at the beginning. You can persevere until it becomes manageable, or you can try the easier exercise described after this one. Lie down on any flat surface. Your floor or bed would work. Rest a hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Through your nose, inhale for 2 counts. Let the air pass through your body and into your abdomen. You know you're doing it right if you feel your stomach expand as you inhale. Through pursed lips, as if blowing a candle, exhale for 2 counts. It would help if you press on your abdomen as you breathe out. Repeat this for as many times as you can handle, up to 10 in a row. Do the entire exercise at least twice a day. Pursed lips breathing. This is another exercise recommended by the COPD Foundation to strengthen the lungs. If belly breathing is too difficult for you, try this exercise first and move on to belly breathing when your lung function has improved. Sit up straight with your feet planted firmly on the floor. Through your nose, inhale for 2 counts. Hold your breath for 1 count. Through pursed lips, exhale for 4 counts. Repeat this for as many times as you can handle, up to 10 in a row. You can do this throughout the day whenever you can manage. How quickly you improve depends a lot on your current lung function. That, in turn, depends on how much and how long you smoked cigarettes. One thing's for sure, if you follow these tips for how to cleanse and strengthen your lungs from years of smoking, you're almost assured to enjoy healthier lungs, and consequently, an overall healthier you. How to clean your lungs in just 3 days. The Tobacco Consultation Service of the University of Michigan Health System says that just by quitting smoking and avoiding exposure to heavy air pollution, your lungs will naturally be cleaner, and your lung capacity will have already increased significantly within 3 days. However, there are things you can do to speed up the process and ensure that your lungs are clean and fully functioning sooner. Here are 3 tips for how to clean your lungs in just 3 days. 1. Clean your home. Your home could be neat and tidy, but it's the dust that you should watch out for. Dust can easily get in your lungs when you breathe, so it's important that you dust your home regularly. wipe all surfaces, and vacuum rugs and carpets. If you have curtains, wash them before hanging them up again. Also, check your air conditioner's filters and make sure they're not thick with dust. If you can afford it, get an air purifier to improve the air quality inside your home. If you need to choose a specific area for the purifier, prioritize your bedroom so you can be exposed to good clean air while you're asleep. 2. Get rid of chemicals. Chemicals, as well as artificial scents found in most commercial cleaning agents and air fresheners, may do more harm than good. Although they might give the perception of cleanliness, these chemicals may irritate the lungs and reduce its functionality. To improve your lung health, eliminate harmful chemicals from your home and stick with natural solutions instead. For multi-purpose cleaning, you can rely on a solution of vinegar and water. For air freshening, you can stick with essential oils. There's no reason to use synthetic solvents at home. 3. Try breathing exercises. Doing breathing exercises is something the Lung Institute recommends for increasing lung capacity. There are some exercises that can be done to cleanse the lungs, but one that the COPD Foundation recommends is called belly breathing. To do this, you need to lie down either on your bed or on a mat. This works best if you keep one hand resting on your belly. As you breathe in through your nose, you should feel your stomach expand. Then purse your lips to breathe out through your mouth and feel your belly deflating. Although this might not seem like much, it has been proven to be effective in strengthening the lungs, especially if done at least twice a day. Whether you smoke cigarettes, have quit smoking, or are simply overexposed to air pollution, keeping your lungs clean should be a top priority. The benefits of healthy lungs aren't limited to the ease of breathing. Sure, clean lungs will make it easy for you to breathe. That consequently leads to a host of health benefits, like better circulation and blood quality. By following these tips for how to clean your lungs in just 3 days, you can enjoy fully functioning lungs and, consequently, improved overall health.
7 ways to get rid of mucus in your lungs. Mucus is produced from cells found in mucus glands. Mucus can be irritating, annoying, not to mention disgusting, especially when coughed up. Mucus is a thick liquid that forms a phlegm through the epithelial cells by way of mucous membranes. Anybody can have mucus in the lung for many different reasons. In this video, we will take you through different steps on how you can get yourself rid of mucus in your lung, whether you acquired the thick liquid phlegm by smoking or through the common cold. Number 1. Drink a lot of warm water. Hydrate yourself constantly to help loosen the mucus and make it easier to expel. Sip small amounts of water from time to time, so you gradually flush out and keep the sticky substance from accumulating in your throat. Avoid drinking hot or cold water or caffeinated drinks, as these may trigger increased mucus production. Stick to warm or room temperature water. Number 2. Take a steam bath. Steam can be effective in loosening mucus and making it easier for you to breathe and spit out the phlegm. You can take a hot shower for about 10 to 15 minutes, taking care not to subject yourself to sudden changes in temperature. You can also boil water, put it into a big bowl, and let your face hover about 1 foot above, with a towel draped over your head to keep the steam in. Breathe in the warm vapor carefully and deeply for as long as you can. Adding a couple drops of eucalyptus oil can help make the steaming a pleasant, lung-clearing experience. Number 3. Try herbal remedies. You can soothe and shrink an infected mucous membrane by eating wasabi. The green paste can break up mucus, get your nose running temporarily, and declog your nasal passages. Another herbal remedy is licorice root tea. This is known to ease congestion by loosening and thinning mucus in airways. Number 4. You can also take expectorants, which help break down the phlegm and make it easier to expel. However, it is better if you consult your doctor first. This is to help you rule out certain things that may interfere with the effectiveness of other medicines you're taking and avoid risking your health. Number 5. Avoid mucus-forming foods. Refrain from eating foods that can thicken phlegm or trigger increased mucus production. Dairy foods are one culprit. Spicy foods may also trigger clogged noses and even sinusitis. Number 6. Avoid taking cough suppressants because this inhibits your body's ability to expel excess mucus from the lungs. Just let yourself cough up the mucus and spit it out. However, if you're coughing too much and experiencing pain, you can take a painkiller or a cough suppressant, depending on the advice of your doctor. Also, drinking warm water mixed with some lemon and honey can soothe your throat. Number 7. Stop smoking. If you're a smoker, kicking the habit will help your respiratory system from overproducing mucus. Smoke tends to irritate the throat and cause it to produce more of the mucus lining. Do these 4 things to reverse the effects of cigarette smoking to your lungs. Some believe that the effect of long-term smoking is irreversible. Is that true? If you quit smoking today, can you save yourself from lung cancer or other devastating cardiovascular diseases? The sobering truth is that once lung tissues are damaged, totally reversing it is highly improbable. However, you can regain healthy lungs if you are willing to stay the course. In the past, it was believed that black lungs had no chance of rejuvenating, but medicine has grown in leaps and bounds since. Modern discoveries point to remedies, both herbal and traditional, that could stave off total lung damage due to cigarette smoke. Although the process could take years, you can take immediate steps to achieve immediate relief. To start your journey to full recovery from the effects of nicotine, do these 4 with regularity. Number 1. Detox your lung and liver with milk thistle. Milk thistle has been found to be the most promising cure for lung cancer. Thistle contains an agent called psilocybin, which halts the progress of cancer by rehabilitating damaged lung tissues. Drink 2 cups a day for healthier lungs and healthier liver. Number 2. Daily raw honey therapy. Anecdotal evidence abounds that a teaspoon of raw honey a day keeps lung cancer away. Even with years of smoking, people who consume raw honey daily report that they start coughing up tar after only a week of honey therapy. They also enjoy increased vigor that leads to a more physically active life. Honey brims with antibacterial and antiseptic properties, so starting your post-smoking rehabilitation program with it yields encouraging results. Honey is also rich in minerals that promote tissue repair. Number 3. Eat plenty of plant leaves. Consuming chlorophyll-rich foods such as juiced wheatgrass, spirulina, chlorella, blue-green algae, and sprouted seeds and nuts not only cleanse but also, more importantly, increase the body's oxygen uptake by producing more blood. Smokers often suffer from bluish lips and fingernails that result from lack of oxygen or poor circulation of oxygen-deprived blood. Raw foods, as this food group is called, also cleanses the blood, organs, and tissues from debris, so you get a 2-fold benefit by eating more raw foods. Number 4. Avoid mucus-forming foods. Processed meat, dried and frozen convenience foods, fast foods, and dairy and non-dairy confections trigger mucus production. Even starchy vegetables and fruits, along with fatty oils from avocado, corn, and canola, stimulate the mild production of mucus. So eliminate the former types in your diet and consume the latter in small amounts. Instead, eat more alkaline foods like root vegetables, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, cayenne pepper, garlic, lemon, and raisins, which are all top foods in this category. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so.